Hey everyone, so let's take a look at the hottest stocks of the day. Of course, we got Blackberry, 536 million volume by the end of the day. I think that's the highest volume on Blackberry of all time, ever, in one day. This is the highest volume ever. This is showing higher up in January. That was for the week. We're not done the week yet. By the end of the week, this is going to be the highest volume ever on Blackberry, showing the amount of interest in this stock. Everybody's watching Blackberry right now. It's the hottest stock right now, next to AMC. I think a lot of money is starting to shift over from AMC to Blackberry because Blackberry held up a lot better than AMC today. Blackberry ended green, GME and AMC both ended red. You can see the strength in Blackberry compared to the other two. AMC had 600 million volume almost, which is quite a bit of money. Multiplied by, let's say, an average $50 a share or so. And a lot of money changed hands in AMC today. It's in the tens of billions of dollars. Blackberry, I did the calculations on this one, 536 million volume times an average of, let's say, $17 US. About $9 billion changed hands, which is nothing in comparison to AMC. AMC, I think it's around 30, 40, $50 billion or so changed hands today in AMC, which is absolutely astronomical. Let me just do a quick thing on the calculator. Yeah, about $30 billion or so changed hands in AMC today. Probably about that. While only 9 billion or so changed hands in Blackberry. So it shows the potential still in Blackberry. If some of that AMC money starts moving over, I mean, you have to think it's in general terms, it's not a lot of money. You have Apple alone is worth 2.2 trillion. You know, 0.4% of Apple goes into Blackberry and this stock doubles because Blackberry is only 10 billion market cap right now. The rest of the market is not doing so well. I'm thinking either everyone's selling their stocks to go all in the meme stocks. I mean, I've talked about this pattern over here on the NASDAQ, how it was rejecting this resistance area, hovering around here. This could be a fake out for the bears. It's not looking like it's a fake out as of now, but we're keeping our eye on that. There is a potential inverse head and shoulders here on the NASDAQ, but I don't really think so. It does look kind of bearish to me. So we have to be cautious because of this. Obviously, the market's going nuts right now. There's a lot of overvalued stocks, but that doesn't matter. Blackberry to the moon, hopefully. Okay, so we got our eyes on Blackberry. What we want to see is we want to see a break of today's high, which was just over $20 US after opening at 9:30. So we want to see a break of that, and a break of that is going to trap anybody who's short today. Anybody who went short today, if we can break that levels, we're going to trap all those shorts. And if we can break that level, anybody who sold, they're also going to get FOMO thinking, oh, it's going way higher. They want to get back in. So we want to break that high of today. That's a critical resistance area that we're looking at. We look on the longer term time frame. This move doesn't look that big yet compared to where Blackberry was in the past. Obviously, it won't be that easy of a feat to get up there, but it's possible. Now, if Blackberry did happen to go to about $100 a share, it would be probably around 60 billion market cap, which is quite high. But hey, Airbnb is like what, 60, 70 billion? Uber is like what, 60, 70 billion? I mean, every stock is tens of billions of dollars. Why is Blackberry not 100 billion? Let's make Blackberry 100 billion. So let's keep our eyes on that. AMC looks like it's having a bit of a cool off. Inside bar, big indecision candlestick, big volume. We would look for it to trade within this range, within the range of today's candle, most likely, because it's such a big range. So we're going to look in the trade of that range. And then once it's done trading in this range for perhaps a few days, we're going to look for a break. And a break is going to decide the direction. So we're expecting a bit of a cool off over here right now. Trade within the range of today's candle and some money to move over to Blackberry in the meantime. GME It's still above our 4-day moving average. Our red line, it broke the low of yesterday without follow through, lower wick of buying the dip. It's showing some strength. As of now, this is still healthy consolidation, low bear volume, no really high spikes in volume near the highs, and a potential cup and handle forming on the daily on GME. So it does appear to have some potential big cup and handle on the weekly, the monthly potential bull flag. There's some signs on GME that it could push too. Again, I'm not recommending these stocks, okay? These are extremely risky stocks. If you want to take the risk, know what you're getting into. A lot of volatility, up and down 10% pretty quickly, maybe 20 or more. So be cautious with these stocks. I'm not recommending anybody buy it. Know what you're getting yourself into. It's a wild ride, okay? OCGN, I just threw this on there. Just was taking a look at it. Doesn't look too interesting right now, but I don't know. Something about this stock tells me there's a possibility that it does rocket. I'm unsure about the chart. I'm not too sure. Maybe a little bit of a cup and handle. Maybe a bit of a falling wedge over here. Okay. We've seen this stock go crazy before. Potential monthly bull flag forming. Potential large cup and handle over here. I don't know what could go on with this stock. Very risky stock too, but I'm going to keep my eyes on it just in case. Okay. Just got to throw SZLS in there. This stock has just been dying. But I have a feeling one day this stock's going to take off. I don't know when, but it might have its time one day. But not yet. As of now, it's still very bearish over here on SZLS. But if it keeps getting lower, 49 cents is starting to look appealing over here. So I'm going to keep my eyes on it. Tesla, pretty big breakdown today. We couldn't break last week's high. Was a rejection of last week's high. Sold off. Now we're headed right to last week's low. The bulls were trying for a double bottom here, which doesn't look like it's going to play out. Looks like the bears are going to break this area. And then our next support is down in the 400s. So Tesla could drop quite a bit still, and before it heads to that next support area, if it breaks this critical support over here, which is starting to look likely, increasing bull volume, but no huge spikes in increasing bear volume, but no huge spikes in volume to suggest it's done going down yet. Tesla's not looking too good. Looks like that classic stock bubble chart. Bear trap, media attention, euphoria, fear, bull trap, that return to normal. Now we're seeing capitulation, I think, on Tesla. Not looking good over there. That's what's driving down the NASDAQ today. So otherwise, NASDAQ was red today, but some of the stocks, it wasn't too bad. But Tesla was down over 5%, and it compiles a pretty big portion of the NASDAQ. So I'm going to leave that here with this video with the top trending stocks. Those are the ones we're looking at today. We'll talk about more stocks soon. I'm going to drop another video for crypto and a few other videos. So be sure to check those out too. Remember to like, subscribe, share, comment. Help me get this channel out there to keep me motivated to keep posting these videos every day. And again, be sure to check out my course. I'll teach you all about technical analysis, all about how to trade, and we'll go from there. Hope you guys have a good night.